If you've ever tried creating diagrams or mind maps yourself, you know how tedious it can be, especially with tools like Visio. They are hard to navigate, quite limited, and overall have a drawback for almost every benefit. But I think I found a better way. So in this video, I'll show you how you can create diagrams of any sort much easier, much faster, and without doing much work yourself. The tool we're going to use is called Wondershare EdrawMax. It's available on Mac, Windows, Linux, and even online. So no matter where you're working, you're covered. Now, I can already hear you asking, okay, but is it actually better than Visio? And the short answer is yes. First off, EdrawMax is way more versatile. Sure, Visio can handle your basic flowcharts and organizational charts, but EdrawMax blows it out of the water. It supports over 210 diagram types: electrical, engineering diagrams, floor plans, marketing visuals, software development charts, industrial processes, so much more. Compare that to Visio, which offers just around 120 diagram types. That's just barely a half what EdrawMax can do. But it's not just about variety. EdrawMax gives you tons of templates, over 30,000 templates ready to go. Yes, 30,000. That's insane. Visio, well, it only offers a few hundred templates, plus EdrawMax takes it a step further with a community tab where users share their own templates, so no matter what you're working on, there's probably a template for it. And probably 5 more that are even better. Now let me show you around. This is the main page of EdrawMax. Front and center, you've got your template and diagram selector. This is where you'll find those thousands templates I just mentioned. Below that, you'll notice shortcuts for AI-powered visualizations, perfect for when you want to save even more time. On the right side, you've got the trending collections and the template community. And if you scroll down, there's an endless list of templates. You could scroll for days. All your last projects will be in Recents and My Documents tabs. Templates opens that community templates page from earlier, and that's about it for the interface. With EdrawMax, I barely have to lift a finger to create anything. I just scroll through the thumbnails, pick the one I want, and boom, done. Need a detailed floor plan, one click, it's ready. Want a mind map? Easy. And these templates aren't just empty shells that you need to fill in from scratch. They are fully ready with example text, layouts, and design showing you exactly how the final product can look. I can still change any text, its style, its font, its size, etc. I can change color schemes or styles if I want with just a click. I can drag and drop any element, resize it, or even add new ones from a massive library of elements. And I mean massive. 20,000 symbols. Sometimes my Wi-Fi even struggles to load all of them because there's just so much to choose from. Visio is not even close. And if I somehow can't find the exact symbol or element I need, I can generate it with AI. All I have to do is type a prompt, just like with DALL-E or Midjourney, and it will create a 2D or 3D image, sticker, symbol, or even something more artistic. I can even upload my own image as a reference. This feature alone puts EdrawMax in a league of its own. Visio doesn't even play in this ballpark. AI is everywhere in EdrawMax, not just for generating symbols, but for analyzing files and turning them into visuals. Imagine you've got a PDF filled with specifications or data. Normally, that's hours of manual work to turn it into something presentable, right? Not here. I just open the AI chat feature, toggle document analysis, and upload the PDF. I prompt it to extract the text, then switch over to the mind map tool, paste the text, and voila, a fully formed mind map. I can chat with uploaded files, ask questions about them, so useful. And remember those AI creation shortcuts I mentioned earlier? EdrawMax can create flowcharts, mind maps, timelines, SWOT analysis, you name it. Just pick the type of diagram you want and the AI chat will open up along with the new document. From there, describe what you need and it will handle the rest. Let's say I need a timeline. I pick it from the shortcuts, type product adoption from idea to market success, And here's the timeline. The timeline already has all the dates in it, but I can change them if needed, delete steps or add new ones. Sure, it's not ChatGPT, so you can't verbally tweak elements after they are generated, but honestly, it's easier to just pick or modify a new style yourself. And if I need a user profile, I once again select it from the shortcuts and type something like typical buyer of Apple iPhones. And here is the profile. It's neatly organized into blocks, and it's all easy to modify. Compared to Visio, this feels like stepping into the future. Visio is functional, but it's pretty limited. As I already said, through the same list of shortcuts, I can generate images to add to my projects. I pick a style, type in the prompt, and get the image. Super easy to do. And here's the cool part. Through the same AI chat, I can have EdrawMax generate pie charts, bar graphs, or just about any visualization I need. Like here's the pie chart of wealth distribution in California. I don't know where it got its data, but this seems accurate. And the generated graphs and charts are interactable. I can turn on and off certain components, and the charts will change automatically. The AI chat can even analyze data, uploaded images, and extract text from them. Works with handwritten text as well, no issues found. And if you open up a project you haven't seen in a long time, or see something you don't understand, the AI chat can analyze that too and provide explanations. Can be a part of a diagram or text or anything else. Just select the element, right-click, AI Assist, and pick the option from the menu. Optimizing flowcharts, analyzing elements, rewriting text, and so on. But let's say you've gone through the 30,000 templates and somehow none of them fit your needs. No problem. You can create a diagram from scratch. Adding blocks and connecting them is simple enough. I just pick the stuff I want and connect everything with a few clicks. All connections are created automatically and points of connection are highlighted. Super easy to create everything. But sometimes, like now, the end result looks a bit amateur-ish or just plain messy. I mean, who has the patience to perfectly design everything manually? Not me. That's when I like to use the Beautify feature. With just one click, EdrawMax takes my wonky diagram and formats it. It adjusts the styling, the fonts, the colors, all sorts of things. No more manual tweaking, it's done. And what I find super useful is the ability to select only certain elements of my diagrams, like only connections or only blocks. Makes it easy to modify specific elements without touching the rest, and to not mess up with the layout while moving the diagram around, I can easily group all elements into one and then regroup to individual elements. The freedom you get in EdrawMax is unreal. You're not limited to the basics. You can add anything you want. Need a QR code? Done. Want to add complex formulas to your diagrams? Easy. It works just like creating formulas in Microsoft Office. So if you've done it there, you're already a pro here. You can add tables also. And if you are protective of your work, throw in a watermark before exporting. And speaking of exports, EdrawMax supports everything: images, PDFs, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and even native Visio files. And yes, you can open and edit your Visio files right inside EdrawMax. The web interface is another win. It's super clean, it's intuitive, and beginner-friendly. Big, clearly labeled buttons make everything easy to find. And if you're like me and get distracted easily, you will love the focus mode. It's tucked away in the bottom right corner and expands EdrawMax to full screen, hiding all other tabs and distractions. It's such a simple feature, but it makes a difference. Visio doesn't have anything like this. I feel like going back to Visio would be pointless after trying EdrawMax. And let's not forget how difficult it is to even access Visio. It's claimed to be part of the Office 365 subscription, but you can't find it anywhere. So pretty much all you can do is buy an expensive enterprise subscription. And for that kind of money, I'd rather get EdrawMax and even have some money left over. There's even an option for a one-time purchase, which is a crazy deal in the world of subscriptions. Now you might say, what about cloud storage? Visio has one, EdrawMax has it too. All your projects get saved in the cloud for easy and fast access. If you have a bunch of Visio projects, you can effortlessly transfer them to EdrawMax and continue working like you did in Visio, but with much more features, templates, and overall flexibility. I will leave a link to EdrawMax in the description. Thanks Wondershare for sponsoring this video. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.